OP Jindal Global University is a role model for excellence in social sciences through interdisciplinary teaching, rigorous research, and global exposure offered by all its schools, including the 8th school established in 2018, the Jindal School of Banking and Finance, JSBF. Our vision is to evolve as an institution that focuses on new technology-led banking, finance, and allied fields to develop professionals who are aware of ethical and social issues in finance of both local and global relevance. Our mission is simple. We want to engage students in a hands-on, practice-based curriculum to make them future-ready. JSBF has redefined finance and commerce education to keep pace with the non-stop digital disruptions that are transforming all sectors, businesses, households, and institutions. Our students will be in a position to understand and address the post-pandemic challenges that India will face. They are evolving into socially responsible thought leaders to contribute to India's financial resurgence, economic resilience, and social progress. JSBF offers the hugely popular BCom Honours and starting August this year, a unique first in India BA Honours in Finance and Entrepreneurship. Although BCom has been around for 100 years in India, we have introduced some path-breaking innovations including alignment with the US-based CFA Institute, strong partnership with London-based Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, training for CA, partnership with the National Stock Exchange, wherein students learn about the stock market on virtual trading terminals, training for SEBI's valuable certifications on securities markets, and a heavy emphasis on business cases and simulations from the world-renowned Harvard Business Publishing. Our students can specialize in finance, accountancy, risk management, banking, law, fintech, analytics, or in entrepreneurship to become consultants, researchers, entrepreneurs, auditors, or investment bankers. We are guided by our advisory board of senior bankers and scholars from Morgan Stanley, Yes Bank, Barclays, Deloitte, Goldman Sachs, King's College London, Yale University, Deakin University, among others. To make learning industry relevant, even during the ongoing pandemic, we have hosted high-level C-suite executives to engage with our students, including speakers from Citibank, from Paytm, from SEBI, from HDFC Bank, scholars to discuss contemporary issues around gender, finance, and financial inclusion, CEO of the largest bank in China and in the world, senior economists from the Finance Ministry, Government of India, policymakers from the National Institution for Transforming India, also known as Niti Aayog, and in January this year, we hosted a special lecture from Venkatesh Jindal for students from JGU and Nottingham about JSPL's success story. JGU's middle name is Global and we are living up to it remarkably well. Several of the 300 plus international partners of JGU have opened their doors to our commerce, finance and entrepreneurship students for different types of programs including short-term study abroad, semester exchange and dual degree partnerships. Several of our students have signed up for these programs including at the prestigious Wharton School at UPenn, ISDE Spain, University of Wollongong, Queensland and Macquarie in Australia, New Brunswick in Canada, Queen Mary University London, Birmingham City, Southampton and Aston in the UK and many more around the world. JGU has robust mechanisms to help students unleash their career potential. To complement our globally benchmarked curriculum, students do many other exciting things throughout the year. Many parents ask, how do Jindal students of commerce, finance and entrepreneurship spend their semester breaks? They work as interns in an amazing list of companies in banking, fintech, digital payment startups, accounting firms, private equity firms, FMCG companies, and they even help strengthen their own family-run businesses. They also do research internships with faculty to learn the art and craft of academic writing. I invite you to check out their published work on jsbf-report.com. For most students, this is their first formal publication. You will see more than 50 articles published by our students on topics like new farm bills, artificial intelligence, NPAs of public banks, corporate governance, energy sector, and even contemporary issues of domestic violence and economic impact of COVID-19. They also participate in international workshops and competitions on finance and data analytics. In January this year, a team from our school won a cash prize and a Viewer's Choice Award in a global data competition hosted by a reputed Canadian university. It is important to note that our first batch of students will be graduating this year. Many have already secured admission in leading universities including the University of Westminster, Queen Mary University, UCL, and Warwick Business School for different masters and MBA programs in international finance, investment management, data analytics, and business intelligence. This speaks volumes of what they have studied and how well they have studied at JGU's finance school. None of this would have been possible without our faculty, the backbone of our school. With 5 founding faculty members, we have grown 5 times in the past 3 years. Our faculty are alumni of top-ranked international institutions like University of British Columbia, Louisiana State University, Barcelona Graduate School, NYU, National University Singapore, Oxford, Iowa State, and leading Indian institutions including the Delhi School of Economics, IIMs, ISB, and the reputed IITs. Our practice-based teaching is carried out by faculty who are certified auditors, chartered accountants, and bankers who have worked in some of the biggest companies, consulting firms, and investment banks in more than 6 countries. We are all proud to be working together at the Finance School of India's #1 ranked private university. Based on consultation with our advisory board members, with JGU senior management, and understanding the needs of the job market, especially post-pandemic, our future plan involves innovation and it involves growth. 4 drivers will facilitate this: making our curriculum ready for jobs of the future, enhancing quality of our online teaching and learning, offering more international opportunities, and strengthening our outreach and promotional plans to accelerate enrollments and recruitment. Based on JGU's timely pivot towards online teaching in March last year, we have set up the Virtual Teaching and Advanced Learning Office, or VITAL, to bring about improvements in our online teaching and interaction with students. We are mindful of the fatigue and exhaustion that non-stop screen time can cause. As JGU continues to progress as an Indian institution of eminence and a globally ranked university, our own aspirations and dreams as JSBF have grown. We welcome you to become a part of an ongoing legacy by joining JGU and the Jindal School of Banking and Finance. You're going to have a memorable time that will stay with you for the rest of your life.